How to fix Snapchat video call not working. If the video call is not working on Snapchat, you might not have given the necessary permissions. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for Snapchat and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Once you do that, tap on the option Permissions. Find the permission for camera. Tap on it. Make sure to tap on the option Allow only while using the app. Likewise, repeat the same for microphone too. Once you grant these permissions, your problem should be fixed. If not, there might be some problem with your network. Make sure you're connected to a stable network connection. You can switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi for a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If not, try clearing the cache of Snapchat. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Once the cache is cleared, your problem should be fixed. After you do that, if still your problem is not fixed, what you can do is uninstall the Snapchat. Then you can install the latest version of the Snapchat from Play Store or App Store. Tap on the option Uninstall. Tap on the option OK in order to uninstall it. Once the application is uninstalled, download the latest version of the app. In the latest version, the box will be fixed. After you do that, your problem should also be fixed. If not, sometimes there might be some problem with the device itself. Restart your device. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart in order to restart the device. Once the device is restarted, your problem will be fixed. The temporary software glitches leading to video call failing will be fixed. Like this, you can fix Snapchat video call not working. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.